If you are willing for a nice vacation to travel within India, you can never go wrong with Darjeeling. It's the most scenic spot to visit for any person with a willingness to travel these locations. In this video, I will guide you with 3-night 4-day tour plan for Darjeeling. Before we start with the plan story, first subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Darjeeling is lying amidst the slopes of the lesser Himalayas and blanketed by emerald green plantation of tea. Darjeeling is a picturesque town in the Indian state of West Bengal. The majestic Kanchenjunga towers over the beautiful town, which is the third highest mountain in the world, popularly known as the Queen of the Hills. You can reach Darjeeling from any part of the country by train or air. By train you have to get down at New Jalpaiguri railway station, and by air you have to reach Bagdogra airport. From both airport and railway station, you can avail private and share cab to reach Darjeeling. Share cab will cost 250 to 300 rupees per person, and private cab will cost 2500 rupees. It will take almost 3 to 4 hours to reach Darjeeling. Try to reach Siliguri early morning so that you can start exploring Darjeeling on the same day. You can visit between April to June to enjoy the pleasant weather of Darjeeling in summer. You can stay at normal average hotel or cottage or any resort, which will range between 1500 to 5000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few good hotels and resorts in the description box. Now coming to the 3-night 4-day tour plan with cost. Day 1. Once you reach Darjeeling, quickly check into your hotel, get fresh and go out around the city, exploring the Happy Valley Tea Estate plantation and the unique architecture of the buildings. You can go to some of the tea plantations and experience the aroma of real tea. There are so many tea plantations that are spread across the land of Darjeeling with the backdrop of Mount Kanchenjunga. Then come back to your hotel, take some rest after lunch, and in the evening go to Mall Road. It's actually a loop that starts from the Chaurasta Mall, goes around the Observatory Hill and returns to the mall itself. You can try the tasty momo and dumpling over there. Day 2. On day 2, you can book a cab for the sightseeing, which will cost around 2000 to 2500 rupees. Start with Batashia Loop. This train ride from the foothills to the top of the mountains give you unique views of the scenery and plantations. The toy train ride is not so long and can be completed in short duration. Next, go to the famous Tiger Hill. The awe-inspiring Tiger Hill is a very frequently visited place in Darjeeling for its amazing views and breezy winds. After that, go to Darjeeling Peace Pagoda. This is a Japanese pagoda famously known as Peace Pagoda, as it's constructed to provide unity to people to all cultures. From the top of the pagoda, you will get a panoramic view of Darjeeling landscape, including the Kanchenjunga range. Next on the list is Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. The institute is full of facts of a lot of mountaineering tidbits and trivia. This institute also trains a lot of people in the craft of mountaineering and climbing. Then visit the Ghum Monastery. Ghum Monastery is one of the oldest Tibetan Buddhist monasteries in Darjeeling area. There is a big Buddha statue. In front of the statue, 2 huge oil lamps that keep burning all the time throughout the year. Then go to the Observatory Hill, which is a rising hill situated above Chaurasta Square, around 2 km from the Darjeeling Himalaya railway station. It offers a panoramic view of the mountains along with the presence of various Hindu and Buddhist temples. Then go for Darjeeling Ropeway. The cable car ride is thrilling and exhilarating to go on, and you can get a stunning view of the beautiful city. Total duration will be 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the evening, you can go to the Mall Road local market for shopping if you want. Day 3. Book a cab and make a day trip to Mirik, which is a small hill town situated 49 km from Darjeeling city. It takes 2.5 hours to reach Mirik. Once you reach Mirik, enjoy the lake, do boating and some local sightseeing before returning to Darjeeling. Cost will be 2000 to 2500 rupees. Day 4. Back to Bagdogra Airport or New Jalpaiguri Railway Station by share or private cab. Share cab will cost 300 rupees per person and private cab 2500 rupees. On an average, total cost will be 10,000 rupees for two if you travel by train and 16,000 rupees for two if you travel by flight. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.